Krira Bharati Pen, Dipu Pen FCI Angbong, Bharat Jago Dor Kepado. Karbi Anglong Asar, Sikari Inghi Kikat Kachapati along Bronze Alek Kelong Dun, Karbi Anglong Pan Nongmi Putot Kevan. Dogmoka lang Dogmoka Biodiversity Management Committee Keja Atumaphan, Seke Kipi. Kardom, ada berta lang penili berta thambang thara harmony be, non bertang don pen arjik tha. Krira Bharati Karbi Anglong Aro Amai Pen, paid up Trok Upon Rules and Sensing Memorial Park Pen, FCI, Angbong Bharat Jagodor Kepado. Dipu Rules and Sensing Memorial Park Pen, FCI Angbong Kepado Bharat Jagodor, Aparman, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Rotan Teronsi, Lama Rooms, Cherok Tok Kekat Pangcheng, Ronjit Pangchu, Samsing Ronghang, Sarbamon Teron Atumsi, Kekat Along, Isi Hini, Lapen Kethom Aman Chepalong. Malaysia Penang Podium along Kepadobom, Asia Pacific Master Game Kecepate along, Karbi Anglong Asar, Sikari Inghi Bronze Alek Chepalong Dun Pusi, Kat News along Birta Nang Pale. Malaysia Penang Podium along Kepadobom, Asian Pacific Master Game along, Pokila Ing TP, Rajan Rongpi. Bahini Bronze Medal Alek, No A, Long Dead Api, Karbi Anglong Asar, Sikari Inghi Bronze Alek, Chepalong Dun Si, Putot Karbi Anglong Apan, Nongmi Patetu. Birta Kelong Atenke Chirkejor along, Sisila Kindu, Sierra Lake. Soma Datta, Kechonalong, Sierra Lake, Lapen 1500 meters, Kikat Kachapate along, Sikari Inghi Bronze Alek Chepalong Dun. Assam State Biodiversity Board Pen, Non Hedjong Domoka Forest IB along, Biodiversity Aputak, Cherok Tok Asai Kepado. Akrok Alam Aputak, Assam State Biodiversity Board Scientist, Saipu, Dr. Onam, Sunanda DVC, Dogmoka Biodiversity Management Committee, Kachari Abang Kubang Piapan, Than Pachini. Biodiversity Conservation, Subsistence Value of Forest Aputhak, Difu Government College, Athanbang, Atul Kulitasi, Than Pachini. Numnalam support han bertamo Don Ponixina.
Assam Hills Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la pentesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Come one, come on. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Difu Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar India.
Dinamo pi putar berta long wang thulu. Bogojan lapen silunijan Biodiversity Management Committee pen non hejong hanjang long sopatu aklamalong Biodiversity Management aputhak cherok tok amai pado.
Ingnam Rai Koma Saipu ACF Jivan Rong PJ Pempu Pen Kipado Chirok Tok Amayalo Chirok Tok Alama Puthak Assam State Biodiversity Management Board Pen Kibang Aluhi Dr. Oinam Sumonde Manshi Goswami Lapen Arya Sangho Tumsi Radapan Than Pachini Nampi Namdur Inglong Arlok Thengpi Thengpra Rikang Rinoi Lohan Lapen Luchin Lorop Karai Kom Japor Nangle Tanglo Apor Kido Hut Inglong Arlok Nampi Namdur Apan Karai Kom Arpu Dengdi Pulutihmu Ajak Kiding Apan Munit Achathe Kibanganta Chetorok Jipusi Nengche Babialam Nengche
Ada berta bang lapan singkang ton punigla dume thagme kurwang tu.